Alright guys, welcome back to the video. Thank you guys for joining us today. I appreciate every single one of you. Let me go ahead and turn this fan off because it is a little hot out here today. Uno momento. Yes sir. Thank you guys for joining us today. Welcome back to the video. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for being here. Yeah, today we're going to reveal the price on our Honda, as well as take it to inspection and get it inspected. We're gonna do a little differently than we usually do. We usually paint the thing and finish it all off before taking it. Today we are actually going to take it with that mismatch hood and front bumper. Yeah, just how you see it right there. That's how we're gonna go ahead and take it and see what they tell us. And yes, we're gonna take it with our little brackets, JDM style. We'll see if they let it through. I mean, I've seen worse cars and worse shape on the street. The only reason we're doing that with this one here, I don't know if you guys remember, it was doing that thing when we purged the system. So we're going to drive this thing for a while. I have been driving it for a while. I haven't had any issues here in the city. I'm about to take it for a road trip, see how it does there. At that point, I'll definitely know if something's wrong or not. It is going to be a 6-hour trip. From here over there back. So yeah, we're definitely gonna go take a trip on that car and see how it does. But first things first, we gotta go ahead and pass inspection, get a tag, register, and all that good stuff. So with all that said, guys, that is what we're gonna do in this video. And before we do get started with the video itself, I do want to welcome our new subscribers. We have 27 new subscribers, guys. Thank you very much for joining the YouTube family. Welcome. Appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Thanks to those 27 subscribers that we have here today. We're recently at 559. Yes, sir. 559, guys. Thank you very much. That was quick. We went from 500 to 559 quick, man. That's crazy. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. But without further ado, we have a lot of work to do today. So let's go ahead and get to the video. Headlights, my bad. We got it cut right there. And right here. Could we done better? Yeah, but I just did it off eyeball. No measuring, no nothing. So it was just pretty much, it looks good. Let's cut here. Yep, pretty much. And of course, you guys know this one is the one that came in cracked. So we kind of try to mock the same little cut over here on this side, just so it looks okay. I don't know. I just wanted to see what it felt like to have a JDM car with zip ties and clips like every other backyard build. Kind of into that stuff, but sometimes I just want to keep some cars clean. And some cars, I don't even mess with them. Does it affect the driving? Nope. So, we're good. In other notes, we got this two running and driving, and now we're enjoying them. Look, he just took a bath the other day. He's already dirty. This guy, he's a dirty boy. And of course, the wagon's clean as it could be. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Boom. Alrighty, guys. So, came in here. It's really hot outside. Taking some air in, but tomorrow we're going to go ahead and take that Honda to inspection for sure, and pay attention to the interior. It is super dirty. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty, guys, so it is a different day here today. We're heading to the inspection with the Honda, obviously. Yes, make sure you guys print your receipts for your parts and all the receipts where you bought your parts from, because they're gonna ask for that on the inspection. They're gonna inspect the bin number and all that stuff, so just make sure to take all your stuff with you. That way you don't have to come back for your stuff and stuff like that. I'll go ahead and put this in there, and you also need your paperwork from Copart, which is all that. And this is my state. I'm not sure in your states. If your states might be different, but on my state, those are the requirements right there. Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys, so we went ahead and made it back here to the inspection place. Yes, sir. They're over there inspecting that one car. I don't know what that is. But the engine's under you. That's crazy. That's the guy that inspected us the first time to send us back for the receipts. Oh, my Lord, have mercy. But yeah, guys, we have everything we need right here. Oop, I almost left my stuff. We got everything we need over here. We got the receipts and pictures and all that stuff. So we should be golden, ready to go. Oh, yeah. We're just going to have to wait for him to come back and inspect us and give us a little salvage, rebuild salvage sticker or something. I don't know. I'll show you guys once they give it to us. Alrighty, guys. So we're back home. The kids offered to clean their first car on their own. I have shown them how to detail before. So let's see how they did on their first car over here. Well, right off the back, it looks clean. This thing was dirty, as you guys remember. Let's go ahead and unlock this thing. Woo. Yeah, still works, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, they got the whole thing. They miss a spot? Nah, it's just the water that runs down. Ooh, they even got the inners. Yes, sir. They vacuumed the bag. They got the mud off the doors. Okay, kiddos. The windows are super clean. Yeah, they're doing way better now. They used to not be able to do all this. Look at this. They actually cleaned the trim up. Man, they got they got all the mud out of there. These kids are on another level now. There's the sticker, guys, that I was telling you about. That is the Highway Patrol sticker for that rebuild salvage right there. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's what I was talking about. We were guiding how the salvage thing. There's the doors all cleaned up. Look at this. They cleaned the whole interior up. Shee. Looked like a whole nother car. It's actually shining. Oh, yeah. All right, well, they come a long way. I'll tell you that. But did they do the trunk? They always forget the trunk. Let's see. I'm always reminding them. Wow, okay. They actually got the trunk. These kids are actually on it. They didn't vacuum it, but hey, they had to forget something, right? Haven't cleaned it out or anything. But that'll be for another day. Yes, sir. Well, they're doing a wonderful job. I think I'm gonna have to keep them employed. Hey, they got back here too. Okay, guys. All right, well, I guess this is the one they're gonna start using themselves now that they're growing a little bigger. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. But yes, guys, we cleaned it up really nice. Well, they did. Look at that. It shines. Yes, we haven't painted the hood. No, we haven't painted the bumper. Well, obviously, we're not gonna paint the bumper until we get the other light, so we can put the new bumper. And there's no point of us. Well, I guess we could paint match the hood. I never thought about it. Maybe paint it black so it matches the front bumper. Right? Black hood, black top. I don't know, maybe. Just maybe. But yeah, I'm pleased with this thing. Super clean, super nice. Well done, guys. Well done. These kids are doing a wonderful job. They left all the water over here, but hey, choosers can't be beggars, right? Hold on, guys. Me, myself, I forgot to check one place under the hood. Yeah, I'm gonna get him now. I got this boys now. Oh, yeah. Ain't no way. There. Oh, I lost the shoe. I got too excited there. Ain't no way they were under here. There ain't no way. Ain't no way. Okay, they were under here. Nice job. They actually cleaned up real well. Yeah, this was all muddy, nasty, and brown. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's actually clean now. Wow, that's actually orange. That's actually red. Okay, kids. All right. Yeah, they did clean it really good with the greaser and everything. Sheesh. Nice job, kiddos. Well done. Alrighty, guys. So we got our 30-day tags or 60-day tags. I mean, finally, you guys seen boys clean the car, so it is nice and clean. I bought some carpets over here that didn't quite fit, so had to cut them to size. You already know, adapting to the situation. That's how we do it. But we fixed most of our lights in the car as well. There's all the Christmas lights that were there before. Turn this bad boy on, and yeah, there you go. No more lights, just seatbelt lights and the doors open light. So should be good. We're currently at 153,000 miles, 346. Ciao. But yeah, so let me go ahead and reset that. I don't even know how to reset it, to be honest, so we're just gonna leave it alone. How about that? But yeah, we got that situated there. I currently noticed that the cruise control does not work. You gotta keep pressing the button down. If you let go of the button, the cruise control will go away. So I'm pretty sure the locking mechanism for the button is broken. So that's one thing we gotta fix still. But it doesn't bug me. It did have a 10 cents stuck right here to it. Pressing, like keeping it down. That's probably why, because they were using the cruise control like that. Crazy ones. I noticed that the volume does not work either way for the stereo. Also, like I can't turn it up, I can't change it, nothing. So probably when they did that aftermarket stereo, they didn't connect none of the steering wheel stuff. But stereo works, everything's good. It doesn't bug me. What else? Other than that, we left the top like it came in. I don't know if you guys remember. Yep. Ugliness of the top. Other than that, it's pretty clean. I do have the paperwork and all the receipts, so we are going to go over how much the car is up to right now. Yes, you can pretty much use the car. It is tagged, inspected, is ready to be on the road. We are getting our title back at a later time, also tags for it. So we got tags, insurance, everything's good. It's a usable car to be put back in the road, aside from, you know, finishing up the paint, little details here and there, but nothing that affects the driving of this car. So we're gonna go over the price of where we at right now and what would it be to buy a car from Copar, get it inspected and ready to just drive it if you don't care about looks or anything like that, or paint matching or not matching, and you just want something to get from point A to point B. So this is gonna be our first price reveal of everything we have done up to today. And then if we continue to fix this car, we'll go ahead and have another update on it. But yeah, let me go ahead and pull all this paperwork out, and I'll see you guys in the garage because this is hot out here. Alrighty guys, so we're out here in the garage. I'm gonna use this as our table right there, just to sit my buttocks down, or we can use this little chair. Alright, yeah, that's alright. But yes guys, up to right now, we are, I want to say, I'm just going to put all the parts together from eBay. Yes, we got parts from eBay. We got parts from Copar, not Copar, parts from eBay and Pull Your Part. So yeah, we got the hinges, the friend, what's it called, support, mount support, things like that. But up to right now, on all the parts and everything for the Honda Civic, were $650. So $650 for just parts. That includes the hood, the front bumper we got from eBay, the fans, the radiator, condenser, all the little miscellaneous we needed, bolts and all that stuff. That was equals $650. We went ahead and bought the paint to paint match the hood eventually. That was $69.95. So we'll say $70. And then to tag the car was 103 with some change plus tag, so we'll just call it 105. So we're 105 there. And the car itself, as you guys know, it costs us 900 and some change as well. So we just call it a rag. So all together there, we're pretty much a 1700. I'll go ahead and put the number together real quick for you right here. And that's where we are for the car as it is right now, which is how you guys are seeing it today out here. Mismatched bumper like that, you know, things like that. So that's how far we are for it. Compared to what the market is right now and what everything's going for, I think it's a good deal. It's a cheap car, cheaper than you can find them on Facebook. Yes, they might have a clean title on Facebook Marketplace, but they're most likely gonna have a lot of miles, or something's gonna be wrong with the car, because you know nobody wants to sell this car as being good, reliable, with low miles. They just don't want to get rid of them for the same fact, because gas prices. But yeah, this one I at least knew what was wrong with it when I bought it. You know, so it's a risk you take as well. So if you're looking to buy a car from Copart, expect the unexpected. So at this point, you know, you can go up to your local Copart, look at the car, turn on the car if possible, and look over it before you start betting on it. And then if you just get online and, you know, cars just pop out that you never seen on Copart, because they have a lot of cars in there. So it's impossible for you to go through every single one. And I mean, you're just gonna have to take the risk, I guess. If it's cheap enough, might be worth your while. You know, you never know. You can find good deals like this, or you can get a turd, a nugget, and you know, struggle with that. Last car we got, it was such a nugget. It was a Ford Focus 2015. Oh, we had headaches with that car. Yeah, if you don't know about that, go to the past videos, man. That car gave me headaches. I'm just, yeah, over with it. But this one here, was a smooth ride, smooth process, and we were able to find the parts pretty cheap and easy. So I say it was a pretty good buy. Now all that's left is to take that road trip and enjoy the car itself. But thank you very much, guys, for watching. Appreciate every single one of you. This is the result where we are up to today on the Honda Civic for $500 that we initially won at Copart. That's crazy. But yes, guys, definitely appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys on the next video, and we'll see if we continue. If you guys like this content about the Honda, we can continue, you know, fixing it up, doing other stuff to it. I never messed with the Honda before, so I would like to do something with this. Let me know down below what your thoughts are, and we'll go from there. I did hear a little shock noise, so we have a lot of stuff for improvement, that's for sure. But like I mentioned before, it does not affect the driving capability of this car. Yes, sir. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. And we have a lot of work to do today, so I gotta get back to work and work some more after work. So adios. See you guys next time. Thank you for sharing, liking, and subscribing. Adios. That's after tax and out the door. Yes.